Hi. Today we're going to walk through the steps to use the printable medical IDs that Type 1 Diabetes Explained provides to you on our website. In order to use the medical IDs, the first step is to print them out. They come in many different colors, so choose your favorite and print out the page with that color on it. If you do not have access to a colored printer, then print page 2, as it has a black and white version that will work best. Whether you're using the colored or black and white medical ID, make sure that you print them single-sided. After you have printed out the sheet with the color that you want, cut that individual medical ID out from the sheet with all the others. You can recycle the unused IDs or save them for future use. The next step is to fill out your information on the medical ID. Please use a black pen and write as neatly as possible to ensure that others will be able to read the information. After you have completely filled out the information, fold the card so that both printed sides are facing outward. The medical IDs are designed to fit in a standard wallet slot. If you plan to use it in a wallet, insert with the colored side with your name facing outwards. The medical ID design provides all of the crucial information in an easy to access way and will help keep you safe wherever you go.